Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Joseph Vijay visited the famous Kollur Mukkambika temple in Karnataka on June 12 and offered special prayers. Vijay arrived in Bengaluru on a special flight from Delhi and travelled about 125 kilometers by road to Kollur. Security was tightened along the road and at the temple premises with devotees temporarily restricted from entering until the prayers concluded. Around 40 Tamil Nadu police personnel, including senior officers, joined Karnataka police in providing security. Vijay travelled with Z plus security cover. The visit came amid the ongoing Mekitatu project dispute with the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister opposing the project. Vijay had earlier written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi urging that the project should not be allowed to proceed. Some pro-Kannada organizations had also announced Black Flag protests ahead of his visit. The temple has long shared a special connection with Tamil Nadu politics. Former Chief Ministers M.G. Ramachandran, Janaki Ramachandran and J. Jayalalitha had also visited Kollur Mukkambika temple and sought the blessings of the deity after assuming office.